Having trouble with your Wi-Fi? Let's get it sorted. If you're facing network issues, you can quickly check with some handy help. If there's an issue, you can tweak settings or ask for remote diagnosis. Just grab your remote and hit Settings for all the options and support. You'll find Quick Help for some useful check items. In there, you can even find a self-diagnosis option for TV settings. Choose Network, and pick the issue related to your TV's problem. First, check the network status and then try connecting to the internet. If you're connected but still no internet, move on to the next step. Your IP settings should be automatic. But if not, make sure to set them. If you're still stuck, give your router a check. Make sure it's up and running by connecting another device like your phone or laptop. If it's not showing connected to the internet, check out the user guide for more info. Then, dive into the troubleshooting guide and click Try Now to sort things out.